Assalamualaikum to my lecturer and my fellow friends. Today we are from Group 3 and we are going to present our ICT450 project, which is Database Design and Development. Our project is designed for the organization Coffee Bean Delight, and we have developed a database system named Coffee Bean Management. Before we begin our presentation, allow me to introduce our group members who have contributed to this project. The first one, myself, NADIRAH binti SAZALI. Next, we have Aina Mardhiah binti MUHAMAD RUSLAN. The third one, SOFEA binti AHMAD HAZIK. The fourth one, SHAFIERA binti MUHAMAD FAKHORAZI. And the last one, ZAHFIKA HANIM binti ZAMIRUDDIN. Okay, let me introduce our company background. Coffee Bean Delight is a modest coffee shop located in the center of a crowded city neighborhood in Kuala Lumpur. The cafe is known for its cozy atmosphere and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. This cafe operates 12 hours on weekdays and 8 hours on weekends, offering a diverse selection of coffee blends, flavors, and sizes including small, regular, and large to suit customer preference. The company's mission is to create a welcoming environment that brings joy and satisfaction through the finest quality and personalized service, making operation easier and more convenient for both the employer and the customer.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is SOFEA and today I'm going to present the problem statement and constraints. Firstly, manual ordering systems often result in errors, including incorrect orders and payment mistakes. Next, manual payments use paper documents which are prone to being lost or stolen. Thirdly, language differences can cause communication issues between the customers and the employees. Lastly, customers may have difficulty understanding the menu, preventing them from placing orders. The overall impact, customers may struggle to understand the menu due to the disorganized displays, small text, or unclear design. This limited accessibility can hinder communication with employees, impact sales, and lead to customer frustration and a negative dining experience, causing them to choose another place. And now I'm going to present the objectives. Firstly, to develop a coffee bean management database system that is more organized and efficient, allowing the coffee shop to give a better experience to its consumers while improving profitability and stability. Secondly, to improve order accuracy, by replacing its manual ordering system with an automated process in the database to enhance customer satisfaction and reduce company losses. Lastly, to design a system that can precisely compute and display customer payments, ensuring transaction transparency and efficiency.
Hi, my name is SHAFIERA. Next, I'm going to explain about our business rule. First one is, each order can have multiple payment. Each payment must be associated with exactly one order. Each customer can place many orders. Each order can only be placed by one customer. Each employee can manage multiple orders. Each order can only be managed by one employee. Each customer table can place many orders. Each order can only be placed by one customer table. Each order contains multiple order items. Each order item can only included in one order. Each order item can only included one item. Each item can included in multiple order items. Next, I'm going to explain about our ERD. As we can see here, we have 7 entities, which is the first one is payment. Table payment have 5 attributes, which is the first one is payment ID, payment date, payment amount, payment method, and order ID, which is the primary key is payment ID. Table payment have many to one relationship with table order. Table customer has 3 attributes, which is customer ID, customer name, and customer tel, where the primary key is customer ID. Table customer and table order have one-to-many relationship. Next entities is employee with 3 attributes, which is employee ID, employee name, and employee position, where the primary key is employee ID. Table employee and table order have one-to-many relationship. Next entities is order with 6 attributes, which is order ID, order date, order total, customer ID, employee ID, and customer table ID, with order ID as a primary key. Table order have one-to-many relationship with table payment. Table order have many-to-one relationship with customer table. Table order have many-to-one relationship with table employee. Next is table item with 4 attributes, which is item ID, item name, item price, and item category, where the primary key is item ID. Table order and table item is many-to-many relationship that we need to put bridge, which is order item with 4 attributes, order ID, order item price, and order item quantity, where the primary key is order ID and item ID. Last entities is customer table. Customer table have 2 attributes, which is customer table ID and customer table vacancy, where the primary key is customer table ID. Customer table have one-to-many relationship with order table.
Okay, so now we will proceed with demonstration and application for the database.
Okay, so now when we enter our database, Coffee BINTI database, we have to log in our username and password. For the username, we put it as our employee's name so that everyone who work in the Coffee Bean Cafe can log in. For instance, let's say one of the employee name is Aina. And for the password, for each employee, they have the same password. So let's say Aina key in a wrong password. It will come out with error username or password notification. So enter the wrong password. Okay, so now this is our employee form, which will consist data of the employee. So we have employee ID, employee name, employee position. So this is our the employee who work in Coffee Bean Delight, and this is the customer for the customer. So we have customer ID, customer name, and customer telephone number. And this is for customer table. Customer table are used for to know which table still have the vacancy. For instance, for customer table ID, for the table number 10, we still have 2 vacancy. And then this is for the item. For the item, we have item ID, item name, item price, and item category. For the item, which basically means these are the item that we sell in our cafe. And then this is for the order, for the customer that have been met their order. Let's say these are met by the customer ID numbers 11. And then this is for the order item. We have order ID, order item price, order quantity. And then this is for the payment. We have payment ID, payment date, payment amount, payment method, and the order ID to know which customer have been met their order. And then for the employee and for customer 2, we could add their data. Let's say a new customer came into our cafe, so we could, and let's say we add the customer ID as 23. Let's say her name is Aina, and customer telephone numbers. Okay, and then we could save it. So it already saved into our database.
So let's look into our customer data back. Yeah, it already saved Ain data. And then we can also use for the employee. Let's say there are a new employee came, and let's say the employee ID is 2009 Ashraf, and as a barista, and then the save. So we could save the new employee that just came. And then for the report, here are the report for the employee, which sum up all of the employee that have been worked, and also Ashraf, which just have been added just now. And then for the customer, so these are the customer that are added. And then this is for the customer table report. This is for the item report, which sum up all of the item. These are the order report, and these are the order item report, and these are payment report, which conclude all of the things that our customer have been met in our cafe. So that's all from me.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you on forms and reports on queries and how I make the forms and reports. Okay, first I press query 3, and then we press create, and then form. So this is the form, but you can change it to list. No, we can change to non-coffee. So this is our forms. Then I will just query 6. Then I press create, and then I press reports. Then I can change for this query. I can change it to payment method. And total. So this is the report for the query 6. And lastly, I would like to make a report and query 4. So the query 4 is for beverages price in between 5 and 10 ringgit. So I press create and reports. So this is the report. So I can change them to item information. Can change it to item information. So that's it. So in conclusion, automated process at Coffee Bean Delights offer numerous benefits, significantly transforming the business operation and customer experience. Firstly, the quick and easy access to organized data greatly simplifies problem solving, allowing staff to address issues promptly and efficiently. Automated system ensure that order accuracy is consistently high, minimizing error that can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Relying on manual process introduce several challenges and risks. Firstly, paper-based documents are vulnerable to being lost, stolen, or damaged. Manual systems are also more susceptible to fraud and unethical behavior, as they lack the stringent security measure that automated system provide. Additionally, human error is a significant factor, with frequent data entry mistake, which can result in incorrect order and billing issue. To address this issue, Coffee Bean Delight has used a large LCD menu at the order counter. This modern solution not only streamlines the ordering process, but also ensure
that all orders are accurately recorded and displayed. The new system significantly improved payment security by integrating secure transaction method, reducing the risk of fraud and error. The impact of this new system on the business is profound. Customer experience faster, more accurate service, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. The improved order accuracy and payment security contribute to increased profitability by reducing error and safeguarding revenue. In the long term, this enhancement contribute to the stability and growth of Coffee Bean Delight, positioning the business for sustained success in a competitive market. Overall, the transition to automated process marked a significant step forward, bringing substantial benefit to both the business and its customer.